Behind every successful woman is herself. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I'm going to tell you all 10 interesting facts about one of the most popular characters of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Yes, she is no other than Munmun Datta. So let's start. Number 1. Munmun Datta was born in a Bengali family. Both her parents have been singers. Like her family, she also developed an interest in singing, so she underwent training in classical singing. Number 2. In Kolkata, she used to perform as a child singer for Akashvani and Doordarshan. While living in Pune, Datta participated in fashion shows. Number 3. According to the sources, Munmun was in a relationship with actor Arman Kohli. But due to his aggressive nature, the relationship could not last long. So, she is unmarried as of now. Number 4. One shocking fact here is, Munmun is unmarried, but Wikipedia shows her partner as Raj Anadkat from 2018 till present. Number 5. Munmun Datta moved to Pune for higher education and received a master's degree in arts. Her mother insisted her to pursue journalism, and so she enrolled herself in a journalism course. But she left it in between to go ahead with a career in the glamour world. Number 6. Munmun Datta started her acting career with the TV serial Hum Sab Barati in 2004, which was telecasted on Zee TV. Number 7. She also tried her luck in the films and made her debut with the film titled Mumbai Express. In 2006, she also appeared in the film Holiday. Number 8. The Me Too campaign on Twitter inspired Munmun to open up about her bad experiences with the men around her in her childhood. She wrote a post on Instagram and even mentioned the reason for not being able to get married to someone. Number 9. Munmun Datta is also a social worker. She is a supporter of the girl child education and is also paying for the education of a housemaid's daughter. Number 10. In May 2021, she was criticized on social media for using a casteist slur in a video that she posted on her Instagram profile on 9th May 2021. On 10th May 2021, she apologized for the same and called it unintentional. So this was some interesting facts about Babita Krishnan Iyer. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.